Are your feet feeling heavy, tight, or uncomfortably swollen at the end of the day? If you're nodding yes, you're definitely not alone. Millions of people over 60 deal with this frustrating problem daily. But here's what most people don't know. Swollen feet don't have to be something you just accept as part of getting older. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share proven methods that can give you real relief, including a simple 5-minute daily routine that many of our viewers say changed their lives. If you want to feel comfortable in your shoes again and reduce that heavy feeling in your feet, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful health tips. Trust me, you'll want to save this video for later. And also tell me your age in the comments. I read every single comment. Let's start with understanding what's actually happening inside your body. As we get older, our circulation system starts working a bit differently. Your heart, veins, and kidneys don't pump and filter as efficiently as they used to. This means fluid can start collecting in the lowest parts of your body, mainly your feet and ankles. Think of it like a drainage system in your house. When everything's working perfectly, water flows smoothly. But when pipes get a little sluggish, water starts backing up in the lowest spots. That's essentially what's happening in your body. Several things can make this worse. Sitting or standing in one position for too long doesn't help your circulation. Eating too much salt makes your body hold on to extra water. Common medications for blood pressure or diabetes can cause swelling as a side effect. Heart problems, kidney issues, or even arthritis inflammation can all contribute to the problem. You might notice swelling more often if you're carrying extra weight, have trouble moving around easily, or deal with conditions like diabetes or heart disease. People with varicose veins often struggle with this too. Certain medications, especially calcium channel blockers or steroids, can make the problem worse. But don't worry. Regardless of your situation, there are simple things you can do starting today to feel better. Now, let's talk about practical solutions you can try right at home. These aren't complicated medical treatments. They're simple, safe methods that many people find surprisingly effective. Compression socks can be your best friend. These aren't your regular socks. Compression socks are specially designed to gently squeeze your legs and feet, helping your veins push blood back up toward your heart instead of letting it pool in your lower legs. Many people are amazed at how much better they feel after just a few days of wearing them. The power of elevation. This is probably the easiest thing you can do, and it works because of simple physics. When you prop your feet up above the level of your heart, gravity helps move that trapped fluid back into your bloodstream. Try to do this for 15 to 20 minutes, 2 or 3 times a day. Just lie back and rest your feet on some pillows while you watch TV or read. Epsom salt soaks feel amazing. Fill a tub or basin with warm water and add a handful of Epsom salt. Soak your feet for about 15 minutes. The magnesium in the salt helps your muscles relax, improves blood flow, and actually draws out excess fluid through your skin. Plus, it feels incredibly soothing, especially when your feet are achy or tired. Drink more water. Yes, really, this might sound backwards when you're trying to reduce swelling, but staying well hydrated actually helps your body flush out excess sodium. Sodium is the real troublemaker when it comes to water retention. When you're properly hydrated, your body doesn't feel the need to hold on to every drop of water. Cut back on salt. Too much salt makes your body cling to water like a sponge. Instead of reaching for the salt shaker, try flavoring your food with herbs and spices. You'll be surprised how much better you feel when you're not constantly fighting against excess sodium. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which remedy you're planning to try first. Movement is one of your most powerful tools for fighting foot swelling. These exercises are safe for most seniors, and you can do them right at home without any special equipment. Ankle pumps, the circulation booster. Sit comfortably or lie down on your back. Point your toes up toward your head, then slowly point them down like you're pressing a gas pedal. This simple back and forth motion helps stimulate circulation and pushes excess fluid out of your feet and ankles. Do this for about 30 seconds or 20 repetitions. Calf raises for better blood flow. Stand behind a sturdy chair and hold on to it for balance. Rise up on the balls of your feet, then slowly lower back down. This exercise gets your calf muscles working, which helps pump blood back up your legs. Try for 10 to 15 repetitions. Toe flexing keeps things moving. While you're sitting down, curl your toes under tightly, then spread them out wide and stretch them. Do this 10 to 15 times on each foot. This keeps the small muscles in your feet active and supports healthy lymphatic drainage. Seated marching gets your blood flowing. Sit upright in a sturdy chair and lift one knee at a time in a slow marching motion. This gently activates your leg muscles and gets your blood moving. Aim for 20 total repetitions. Foot circles improve flexibility. Lift one foot off the floor and rotate it in slow circles, 10 times clockwise, then 10 times counterclockwise. This helps loosen your ankle joint and improves overall fluid movement in your feet. Doing these exercises daily can make a surprisingly big difference in how your feet feel. Here's an easy routine you can follow every single day. In the morning, start with one set of calf raises and ankle pumps. This gets your circulation going for the day. In the afternoon, take a 10-minute walk if you can, and finish with some foot circles. Walking is one of the best things you can do for circulation, and it doesn't have to be intense. In the evening, treat yourself to an Epsom salt soak and elevate your feet while you're watching TV or relaxing. This helps your body process any fluid that build up during the day. Stick with this routine consistently for just 1 week, and you'll likely notice a real difference in how your feet feel. While most foot swelling is harmless and manageable at home, there are times when you need medical attention right away. If swelling comes on suddenly or severely, appears in only one leg, comes with redness or pain, or if you're also having shortness of breath, please see a doctor immediately. These could be signs of something more serious, like a blood clot or heart problem. Swollen feet might be common, but they don't have to be your normal. With the right daily habits and these simple exercises, you can reclaim your comfort and mobility. Remember, consistency is key. Small daily actions add up to big improvements over time. If this video helped you understand how to deal with swollen feet, please hit that like button and subscribe for more practical health tips. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which remedy are you going to try first? Your experience might help someone else who's dealing with the same problem. Thanks for watching, and here's to feeling better every day.